Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to make strata or strata. I hope I'm saying that right. Sorry if I didn't. This is considered an overnight breakfast casserole. You can make this the night before and bake it in the morning. Today I'm just going to let it sort of soak and set for a couple of hours. But overnight definitely works. This is a great make-ahead breakfast. So I'm going to be using chorizo, fire roasted poblano peppers, but a lot of the ingredients that go into your breakfast casserole are really up to you. So this is what I'm putting together to make a meal. It's very versatile. It is easy to make. So here we go. So to get started, I am going to toast 4 pan bolillo rolls. Now this is somewhere between 12 to 14 ounces. It's actually 13 ounces to be exact, but 12 to 14 works. So into a preheated oven at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes or until everything is golden brown and toasty. Next, I'm going to fire roast 2 large poblano peppers. I didn't weigh these, but 2 medium to large poblanos works for this. And I'm just going to char every inch of the exterior. This will make it a lot easier to peel the skin later. So once they are completely charred, I have an extra one for salsa later. I'm going to cover this with cling film and let these sweat for about 15 to 20 minutes. It's been about 20 minutes, so now I'm just going to peel all of the charred skin, remove the stems and seeds, and clean this. Now that it's completely cleaned, I'm going to cut this into strips. Now I'm going to chop, and I'm going to set this aside until I'm ready to use it. Today I'm going to use 12 ounces of Mexican-style chorizo and 1 small cipollini onion. I had 1 onion left, so I'm going to chop it up and use it. You can just use yellow onion or white. So here in a cold pan, I'm adding my 12 ounces of chorizo, and now I'm going to turn on the heat and start cooking this, and I'm going to try to render out as much fat as possible. So after the fat has rendered and most of the juices have evaporated, I'm going to remove the fat. And you probably want to shut off your heat when doing this. I didn't do that, but be safe, guys. So once I've removed most of the fat, I'm going to add my chopped onion. And the amount of onion is up to you. Like I said, I just had that small onion, so I used it. And I'm just going to saute the onion for about 5 minutes until softened and translucent, and then set this aside until I'm ready to use it. For the egg mixture, I will be using 12 large eggs, and I'm just going to break them into a large bowl. Now I'm going to add 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. And I'm going to break apart the eggs and give this a really good mix. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream, and I'm going to whisk this well. Now I'm going to add 10 ounces of Oaxaca cheese, and I want to show you this cheese comes in this round ball, and I just shredded it. Now my poblano peppers, I'm going to add my chorizo and onion mixture and fold this into the egg. I took 2 tablespoons of butter and buttered this baking dish. You'll want a 9 by 13 baking dish, at least a 3-quart baking dish for this. And I'm going to add all of my toasted pieces of bread. Now I'm going to pour over the egg mixture. And you want to make sure that the bread is submerged and coated in the egg mixture. Now at this point you can cover and refrigerate overnight. I'm going to refrigerate this for about 2 hours and let it set on the counter for about 45 minutes to take the chill off. And then it's ready to bake. I'm going to bake this uncovered in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 55 minutes to an hour. After about an hour of bake time, I like to let it set for about 20 minutes, then serve. You can garnish and top this however you like. I like to use some Mexican crema and some fresh chives. And this is breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's so good. So I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching!